Model: 2014 Citroen Relay 35L3 HDI 130 6-speed spares, or repairs very low miles face with hand over mouth. Body: white, tipper in a good working area. Mileage: 99,577. Engine: 2,198 cc4 HHD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Plenty of life in this tipper. Would make a fantastic tipper for a business. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in